All right, so my name is Sam. This is my first YouTube video I'm doing. So right now we are going to my house to go get my dog. So I have two dogs. One's name is Marley and one's name is Creed. Creed is my pit bull and Marley is my mutt. Basically, he's just all kinds of things that I don't know about. So we're taking them both out. But I'm taking Creed with me on a little hike. Well, it's a 5-mile hike, basically. So, and Creed's a pit bull, and he's very in shape, and I'm going to take him on. I'm going to start doing it, you know what I mean? So, and my other dog, my dog Marley, he's like 13 years old, and he looks like a potato. So, I'm going to go get them taken out, get them taken to go pee and poop, and Marley is going to stay home, and Creed's coming with me. So that's basically how that's going to work. And right now I'm driving, and if there's a cop, I really don't want him to see me. You know what I mean? Alright, see you at my house. Bye. Alright, this is my home. Let's go up. What the heck do they got going on there? So, I don't actually live here. I live at my girlfriend's house. I just come here and help with my dogs. Oh, that's right. I forgot. I don't have a key to that yet, so I need to go around back. You want to see my code? Psych. I ain't showing you that thing. Crazy? Alright. Gosh, you sucker. I hate that cat. Come on, Marley. Let's go. Marley, let's go. You know what? I know how to get this dog. I know how to get him up. Are you guys ready? Oh, you want to get, fat boy wants to get up now. Come on, Marley, come on. Let's go, let's go. Oh, he's up. Ow. All right, Marley, let's go. Come on. All right, so now I'm taking the dogs out. Come on, Marley, go. Go, Marley. Go. Taking these dogs out, letting them go to the bathroom, and then me and Creed are going on a hike. Creed, get over here. Come on. Creed, we're about to go on a walk, buddy. Ready? Come here, Creed. Come here. Ready? Bam. That's what I'm talking about. All right, Creed. Let's go, let's go. Let's close this thing. Let's go, let's go. Come on, Creed, over here. In the car. There's Creedy Pie. But to go on this long walk. You ready, Creed? Creed! Alright. Me and Creed are almost to the park. So we're gonna start this 5-mile walk. It might get cut short because it might get too dark. But I think Creed's a human, so they're asking for a seatbelt. So we're pulling up now. Creed's all excited. He just looks so happy, doesn't he? So we're pulling up, and we're gonna just start this walk, and we're gonna do a little bit of running, some exercise. So I'm gonna kind of base this channel just around just me and just things that I want to do. Like this channel is gonna have a little bit of hunting, just a little bit of life, just like if whenever I buy my first home and I have my first kid, I want to post it on YouTube. And I mean, if it all goes good, which it could possibly go good. I mean, if it doesn't, it doesn't. It's just the fact of having a video for me and my family would just be amazing. So, again, my name is Sam, and I hope you go along with this journey with us, and me and Creed and my family. Are you excited? Oh, he's so excited to go on this walk. It's a pretty walk. A lot of trees falling down. But we're gonna get going. We're gonna walk a little bit, run a little bit, just get a little exercise in. So, yep, we'll keep you updated. There's the lake. Hey, Creed. There's the lake, buddy. There's the lake. Go catch some fishies. There's some pretty good fish in there. I fished here a lot. But so what this does is it goes all the way around the lake, and going all the way around the lake, it's about 5 to 6 miles. And you can see the back of the Rocky Gap Casino. So there's some things to do here. You can go during the summer and all of that. You can go canoeing, and it's pretty fun here. Creed's gonna have some fun with me, aren't you, buddy? You gotta watch for little snakies, because there's been some sightings of some copperheads around here. Look how beautiful that is. Man, I could do this every day of my life. Just walk this trail. My girlfriend, she's at work right now, so that's why she's not here. But she's not really comfortable with the camera yet, so she's not gonna be on probably for a while until she gets comfortable with me being on the camera. Until she just knows that she's comfortable with it. And then whenever she wants to get on the camera, then therefore she can. Now I'm using my iPhone 11, and it just sucks because I wish I could see my face, but I just can't. So I kind of gotta just hope and pray. So, yep. This is just so awkward being on the camera and just like talking through the camera. Like, I feel like I'm doing pretty good at it, like better than what I thought. It's just still very awkward. Creed's just loving life. He's going in every single bush, just everything. How beautiful this is. Look at here. Oh, wow, the water is really, really low. Last time I came out here and fished, the drop off was not like this. So we go down here. Ooh. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. Creed wants to go for a swimmy. No, Creed, you can't. I ain't getting wet. One day, buddy. Look at this. That is just freaking gorgeous. Look how gorgeous that is. All right. Come on, Creed, we got a long walk to go, buddy. So this is literally what it's gonna be like. We're gonna walk all along there, come around, and then we'll be on the other side. Then we gotta walk all the way back to where our car is, which is like over there. All right, let's get started. Come on, Creed. It's freaking trash. Ridiculous. Come on, Creed. Come here, buddy. All right. Keep you updated. Bye. We're at the dam. There's a waterfall that's down there, but it's like freaking a mile away. Come on, Creed. Let's go for a run, buddy. Some people over there. Come on, Creed, let's run. Going over the bridge. Look at this. This is the dam right here. This smells like doo-doo. Oh, we got some steps. Oh, there's trees falling down. Holy crap. That's crazy. Look at that. Away from there, Creed. There might be freaking snakies over there. You gotta be careful with that. I ain't dealing with snakes. Hey, if that snake bites you, you're sucking out of your own leg. All right? I'm just joking. I'll save your life. All right. We started all the way, like probably all the way over there. Came up here. You stopped right here. And now we found this little flat spot right by the lake. It's nice. All right, Creed. I'm not 100% sure how many more miles we have left. You ready? Getting tired? I'll get you some water, buddy. Okay. Oh, I just almost slipped. All right. Now, Creed. Creed, I don't know if I should trust you on this. I think we should go right. Yeah. Let's go. Look. That rock right there? It's saying right, basically. So I'm following that rock. That's towards the water anyways. Yep. How beautiful this is. Man, I could literally run this thing every single day. It's been good. We are probably maybe about halfway done. Actually, no. Oh no, we're pretty close to done. We're like probably about 75%, because I still gotta walk clear over past the lake where you can go and swim and everything, and then I have to go across the casino parking lot, walk up that big old hill, to get to my car. Never mind, we are a lot farther than what I thought. So what we gotta do is we gotta go all the way around there, all the way around, go up there, and right over there, and then our car is kind of right over that building. Oh, you can't see nothing. So you see that building that's right there? That's where we gotta go. Look how pretty that looks. I'm gonna take a picture of that. And then I'm gonna stop vlogging till I get over there. Beautiful that is. Man, I way underestimated this run, but it sure darn is beautiful. Hey Creed, you tired? Me too. Finally, we made it 5.5 miles around, but I'm not done yet. still got to get all, you might not be able to see it, but I still got to get all the way over there to get to my car. So I still got probably about a mile. So not 5.5 miles yet. I'm not sure if it's 5.5 miles to that point to there, or if it's 6 miles to where my car is. You know what I mean? I'm not sure. We'll figure that out. All right, we finally finished. I said that I wanted to be done by 7:40 to 7:45. We got in my car at like 7:42. Creed is just like beside himself, just rubbing his freaking nasty body all over my seats. Gosh, what a psychopath. All right, so we're finally in my car. I completely underestimated that freaking trail. We're finally done. It's 7:42 p.m. I am on my way to go pick up my girlfriend. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. I mean, I just hope you guys come along with my journey. All right, peace.